Good morning, guys. Today we have a 2011 335 BMW out here, and as you guys can see, this one has purple tint. It goes to the other door. The back one, it looks like it got replaced already. Also, the customer wants 35% on the windshield. Let's go and take a look real quick. So he already has 70%, but he wants to go darker. So we're gonna go ahead and do a 35% on the front windshield, 5% on the front, and 5% on the back. So it's a maybe. We'll be replacing the back ones. Like I told the customer, it doesn't look that bad. It looks like he has a. It looks like it's a good film. But like I said, it's been raining out here. We're in May, and woke up today with a rainy day. Alright guys, on this project I'll probably be taking all doors. I'll be taking out the doors on all four doors. The reason why is because it's gonna make it a lot easier for me, and also customer did mention that he keeps getting lines up and down, so most likely the seals are dirty and probably have some type of small debris, maybe little rocks in there, and we're gonna try to avoid getting the new tint scratch, and it'll probably make it a lot easier doing one stage on the whole car. But let's get to it. I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, quick update. I already cut all the patterns for my windows. That's how it looked before, all purple. Now this is 5% by Solar FX vintage. Also, I actually did this an extra piece. For some reason it went right there, but I'm gonna use it for the back. Also end up cleaning the front windshield. Everything looks good, but when it comes out to removing old film, this one was a bad film, so the steamer was doing its best, but it left some glue behind. Now if that actually happens, make sure you guys go back and clean as much as you guys can, because in reality, if you leave some glue, you'll be able to see it once you install the new film on top, and you guys don't want that. But so far it's going good. It didn't go as planned. Like I said, I had to scrape some of that adhesive out, but so far it looks like we're on track. So I'll keep you guys updated on the next one. Like I said, I'm gonna do the back. We'll see how the back goes on this one, but just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And like I said, I did remove the door panels. I did remove the sleeve. So far it wasn't too hard to move the gasket. Just like the same thing, make sure we clean the windows good, not just once, multiple times. And then I'm doing one stage on this car. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we're all done. 5% all around. Went ahead and remove this one. I was super busy. I just didn't feel like record. But there's 35% on it. Right now there's a little bit of light because of the door, but other than that, this project took me 5 hours. That's removing and applying the new film. Now the only reason why it took me a while, it was the front windshield. It wasn't quality film, so I left a bunch of adhesive. It was probably a single ply. I kind of struggled with it. Same goes with the back one. I was able to save the defrosters. We went with 5% vintage. Same thing, remove the adhesive, try to keep it clean so you could get clean results at the end. But other than that, I'm gonna pull it out, and yeah, we're all done here. I'm tired. Usually when it comes to projects like this that I have to remove like the whole car, if it has tint, I usually give myself 5 hours. Also let the customer know it usually takes about 5 hours or so. That way I'm not in a rush and they're not in any hurry for me to finish. That way they kind of get an idea it's gonna be 5 hours. But all right guys, let's take it outside.